Welcome back to Next Gen Crypto, your trusted source for the latest insights and hidden gems in the crypto space. DeFi, or decentralized finance, has completely changed how we think about money, from lending and staking to cross-chain payments and real-world assets. But as we move toward 2026, a brand new wave of next-gen DeFi projects is taking shape, smarter, faster, and more connected than ever. In today's video, we're diving into the top 3 DeFi projects leading the next revolution in 2026. Projects you should definitely keep an eye on. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a crypto update from Next Gen Crypto. First on our list is Mutuum Finance, one of the most promising upcoming DeFi platforms preparing for a 2026 mainnet launch. Mutuum Finance is a decentralized lending and liquidity protocol designed to make borrowing and lending smoother, safer, and more automated. It introduces mtTokens and debt tokens, giving liquidity providers and borrowers new ways to interact, all controlled by smart contracts and automated liquidation systems. What makes Mutuum stand out is its focus on sustainable yield and capital efficiency, solving one of DeFi's biggest problems: unstable returns and risky pools. Mutuum could be a DeFi game-changer for users looking to earn more with less risk in 2026. Next up, let's talk about River, a cross-chain DeFi and stablecoin infrastructure project that's making serious waves ahead of its 2025 to 2026 launch. River's goal is simple but powerful: to let users mint stablecoins on one chain using collateral from another. This means no more complicated bridging or asset locking issues across chains. Imagine locking ETH on Ethereum and minting a stablecoin directly on Arbitrum or Avalanche. That's River's vision. As we move into 2026, cross-chain DeFi solutions like River could redefine how liquidity flows across the crypto ecosystem. Finally, we have Remittix, RTX, a project that's bridging the gap between DeFi and real-world finance. Remittix aims to make cross-border payments seamless by allowing users to send funds directly from crypto wallets to traditional bank accounts across more than 30 countries. It's part of the next DeFi evolution, merging real-world financial utility with blockchain transparency. The project has already raised over $26 million in its pre-sale and is building strong global partnerships. If Remittix succeeds, it could make decentralized finance more practical and usable than ever before. So there you have it: Mutuum Finance, River, and Remittix. 3 powerful DeFi projects shaping the next financial revolution in 2026. DeFi isn't slowing down. It's evolving. And these projects are proof that innovation in crypto is far from over. Which one do you think has the most potential to lead the 2026 DeFi boom? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your crypto community. Until next time, this is Next Gen Crypto signing off. Stay early, stay informed, and stay decentralized.